I'm Janice, and I'm here with Andrea Clement, who teaches our DIY creatives. Now, many people have asked what DIY creatives means and what it is. We've changed the names from paint and sip because everybody does paint and sips. And we are branching out, and Andrea is going to tell us about the wind chimes with the seagulls, our next class with the birds, welcoming spring, and the oyster pendant for Oyster Week at Monroe Bay.
Okay. Well, first of all, I'd like to try to do 3D because it's a lot more fun. You get to play with your hands. Everybody does painting. So this is something you could hang in your yard or on your porch. It's really simple to make, and it's a lot of fun. We'll bring lots of different kinds of birds. Here we have an Osprey Festival, so hopefully we'll do it around that time. And then, of course, we're doing some more birds. This is a bird sanctuary where we live, so we enjoy painting our birds. And this is the oyster shell from our beach. And we can make a pendant. You can put it on leather or on a chain when it's done. It'll be a lot of fun to do.